Do you know the average salary of a data analyst is about $60,000 per year? In a fast-paced digital era of AI, data is not just information, it is power. To wield that power, businesses need more than just numbers, they need data analysts. According to the World Economic Forum, businesses would need more data analysts than accountants to thrive in the rapidly evolving world of technology. And with the rise in the demand for data and AI roles like data analysts, data engineers, and machine learning engineers, becoming a data professional will keep you relevant in today and tomorrow's labor market. Join the Data Analysis Basics to Mastery Bootcamp by Kedrus Academy and become a seasoned data professional within 30 days, even if you are a novice. At the Data Analysis Basics to Mastery Bootcamp, you learn how to collect, clean, and analyze data from various sources. You also learn how to build stunning data visualizations that tell compelling and insightful stories. From learning powerful data analysis tools like Power BI, Excel, Tableau, and SQL, you gain hands-on practical experience with real-life projects and data sets guided by our certified instructors. You don't need to have prior knowledge of mathematics, statistics, or coding to join the bootcamp. Our seasoned instructors will guide you every step of the way. Our training is 100% virtual, so you can join from anywhere in the world. Our curriculum is properly structured and delivered simply to enable you learn with ease. By the end of this bootcamp, you have the skills and expertise to tackle any data challenge and land your very first job as a data analyst. Enroll now for the Data Analysis Basics to Mastery Bootcamp with Kedrus Academy. Click the link below.